Okay, after all that work, hopefully this will just be a quick detailing episode. We're just gonna kind of finish off a bunch of things near the bottom of the playfield here. So first things. This rubber disc here. And I don't know if we have any rubber textures yet, or I'm sorry, materials. Nope. So we'll just do kind of a fast and loose version of this. Fine. So this is just all the piddly little stuff. You know, we get some metal to add over here, which lines up with the edge of your apron. So we're just going to grab these two faces, duplicate them, turn them into their own mesh. Try to grab them again. There we go. And then we'll just use modifiers to make those. So there's that. Generic metal for now. Looks good. I'm not doing any screws yet, but we'll see if we can finish off everything else down here. We've got these 1-inch washers down here that hold the apron in place, so that gets placed over these posts. And these two will solidify metal material. Okay. What else do we need down here? Oh, I do remember that I'd forgotten to do this earlier. So we'll come up, there's just one more of these to protect the spinner rod. Put that in place. It's pretty unimportant, but for building the full cabinet, you might as well put the lockdown receiver in there, and then for the lockdown bar itself. Okay, so then we're going to do lockdown bar, which should happen fairly quickly. Give it some depth. And then we start in with loop cuts. So first one's going to be at about 1 inch, and then the next one, these are going to go out to about 1 inch. And then that just comes down a little bit. Okay. Take our edges, extrude them down 1 inch. Then we take all of our edges and they get a bevel. Let's get these two. They get a bevel something like that. There we go. So there's our lockdown bar. That's done. That's done. That's done. So we have screws to add later, and I guess we have cards to texture now. So let's do that. So we'll take our first card, we'll go into shading. Okay. Create a new material. Add an image. We're gonna open card 1 like that. And see if we have any luck like this. We're gonna make a mix shader. There it is. Turn that 180 degrees. This is a dark blue. And then this is just a printed white. So there we go. Card 1. For card 2, make a copy of that material and just swap out our alpha mask. There it is. So we'll fine-tune our materials again near the end. But okay. So I think, taking a look around here, that's the major stuff in the entire bottom half of the playfield until we need to add plastics. So, you know, I think up to this point we are in really good shape. So we'll do a quick render and then call that done, and for all the surface level stuff.